Saan yung alarma?
Kailangan yung electrician, Dolores lang, hanapin nyo.
During departure from a berth in Ningbo, China, the main engine is placed in dead slow ahead. Then a few minutes later, an alarm for the main engine auxiliary blower failure has been activated. The fourth engineer acknowledged the alarm, and he observed that one of the auxiliary blowers was not running in the monitoring alarm system. I responded to check the problem on the electrical control panel. I opened the panel. Inside it there is an electrical diagram. Then I checked the circuitry of the control panel. I noticed that one of the timer relays, which the timer 63T is not working. A timer should have green LED lights on at the top of the unit indicating that it has power. I checked the diagram again, and I observed that the timer 63T is connected to the remote control system. And through the auxiliary contact of timer 63T, the relay 4X2 and his auxiliary contact will energize. Then the main contactors of the electric motor for the star-delta transition will start, but it is not happening. Then I decided to try to start the unit manually, but the electric motor doesn't start. So I came to my conclusion that timer relays contributed a lot. But to make sure, I have to check first the power supply of the control circuit, and the easiest way is to measure voltage between terminal 225 and 226 to 216. Using my multi-tester, I started measuring terminal 225 and 216, and then I got 31 volts DC. Then terminal 226 and 216, I got 0 volts, which is not normal. It means that the auxiliary contact of the 27T timer is open. It should be closed. Then I confirmed the problem was coming from the timer 27T. The timer has power, but no switching happens on the auxiliary contact. Therefore there is no voltage supply going to the timer 63T and to relay 4X to energize the main contactors. Unfortunately, we don't have a spare on board. So I decided to remove the defective timer from the place, and then I put some bridge to the terminal just in order to make the system operational while the ship was navigating with a pilot in a narrow channel. The main engine blower is restarted after a jumper is placed on terminals 255 and 256, restoring the system to normal. The potential outcome of this scenario is that the bridge team cannot give a normal maneuver to the ship. Expected complaint from the pilot. The preventive action. Carried out proper check or maintenance of electrical control panel. Familiarization with the electrical diagram of essential equipment is necessary to obtain the fastest solution to the problem.